So what do I do now? Whoa! And there's person. Wait, what? Hello. What's your name? Tommy. Hello, Tommy. What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna test Lumion on M1 MacBook Air. As you can see here, this is not the Big Sur OS right now because I'm using Parallels. Yes, this is the Big Sur, and I'm using the Parallels desktop to run the Windows. Lumion is only compatible with Windows. Right now I have Lumion Pro 10.3.2. I don't know if you can see it. I'm recording like this on the camera again is because I don't want to use QuickTime Player to reduce the M1 chip's performance. Anyways, so I just go back here. I just press new and let's try tropical environment. It's loading template now. Okay, now it's on. This is the frame rate. It says 8 or 9 FPS right now. You can look around and put some objects and design things. Yeah, there are many trees and grass right now. Actually, it's not the basic settings. The basic setting is this. Editor resolution was at 100%. I'll change to that and let's see how it is. Anyways, I'm wondering why it's not working right now. So what wrong creation of texture? What's that supposed to mean? So can I go back? Well, yeah, I'm just gonna restart the program again. I don't know, maybe it's this version or maybe it's the window. Well, at least we can run it because like a few months ago I couldn't even run this program and now it's working, which is, better than nothing. It's a shame because many programs like Lumion or Revit and other programs, they're not compatible with Mac. Alright, it's on again. I'll make a new project again. I'm just gonna go for plain, nothing else, just the grass and the sky. It was quicker than before. Nice. So, it's not bad. I can move. The frame rate right now is at 11, 12-ish. How about we drop the resolution to 25%? Will that be better? It's way better, but well, I mean, yeah, you can use it. It's way smoother, maybe like 20-25 FPS, I guess. But look at the texture. It's just it's too low. Okay, not 25, maybe 50%. Yeah, it's better. The frame rate is not too bad. Maybe I'm gonna put some things like transport. How do I put it? Okay. Oh, there we go. So what do I do now? Whoa! And there's person. Wait, what? Hello. What's your name? Tommy. Hello, Tommy. How do I turn? I don't know how to control this. Okay, I'll put you there, Tommy. And another Tommy? Yeah, they're twin. There we go. And you have a white color as well? You didn't tell me that. We have so many cars now. Yay. So if I go here... Wait, is it Tesla? Looks like. How do I go up? Hello. Okay. So we have 3 cars here. And the boat. So big. That's what she said. I mean, yeah. Okay, I put the chips here. Don't judge me, I just don't know how to use this. I just want to show you guys that it works like this. Well, the resolution is really low, but at least you can do some quick work on it. And the nature. How the tree is bigger than the whole ship? Usually the frame rate is on here, but now it doesn't show. I don't know why. Okay, I'll try to save this project. Save as desktop test. I don't know why it's so blurry, the screen. Okay, anyways, I saved it. Let's make a new one. This super brands, super love. I can't speak English, so don't judge me. It's just suburban environment. Loading template.
2,000 years later.
Wait, what's going on? Why is it suspending? What's going on? Wait, what? Oh my god. So it has an error, says a critical graphic error has occurred with Windows 10. The application that caused the crash will be terminated. Please send this report to help us solve the problem. This is not a support request. Blah blah blah. So I think if we try to open the big project for Lumion, it doesn't work. And instead, it causes some error and close the window. So if you're thinking to buy M1 product like M1 MacBook Air, M1 MacBook Pro, or even new iMac with M1 chip, you should know that Lumion is only working with light projects. And if you want to use for bigger projects, then I just recommend you to buy Windows laptop for this. Because first, it's not even compatible with Mac anyways. Second, you have to run it via Parallels, which has a reduced performance. And third, you can't even handle the big projects. Well, at least now you know that Lumion is not that well compatible with M1 chip at the moment. Hopefully in the future, who knows, maybe they're gonna release their Lumion for Mac, like M1 or M2 or whatever the chip they have. And don't forget to check my channel because I have a lot of test videos for M1 Mac, and subscribe my channel right now to see the more test videos in the future. Yep, so that's it. I hope you guys found it helpful, and goodbye.